If you want to connect Xbox Live with GOG Galaxy, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to link your Xbox account, sync your supported games, and get everything showing inside your GOG library. This is a great way to keep your game collections organized in one place, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and gaming tutorials. Let's get started. First, open GOG Galaxy on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, make sure you download and launch the official app first. Once GOG Galaxy is open, sign in using your GOG.com account. This is important because integrations are managed through your main GOG profile, so you need to be logged in before you can connect any external gaming accounts. After you're signed in, look to the top area of the app and click the gear icon to open settings. Inside the settings menu, find the option that says Add Games and Friends, then click Connect Gaming Accounts. This is the section where GOG Galaxy lets you link platforms like Xbox, PlayStation, Steam, and other supported services. Once you're in the integration screen, take a moment to look through the available accounts. Now find Xbox Live in the list and click Connect. As soon as you do that, a Microsoft login window will appear. This is completely normal because GOG needs Microsoft's permission to access your account connection. In the login window, enter your Xbox or Microsoft account email and password, just like you normally would when signing in to your account. Then click Sign In to continue. Next, Microsoft will usually ask you to review permissions. This step is important because it allows GOG Galaxy to sync your Xbox account information and display supported games inside your library. Carefully read the permissions screen, then click Allow to grant access. Once you approve it, the connection process will continue automatically. At this point, GOG Galaxy will begin syncing your account. Depending on how many games and how much data need to be pulled in, this may take a little while, so give it a moment to finish. You may see syncing progress while it connects and updates your library. If nothing appears immediately, don't worry, because the app may still be processing the connection in the background. When the sync is complete, go to your library inside GOG Galaxy. This is where you should start seeing your supported Xbox games appear. Keep in mind that only supported titles will show up, so not every single game from your Xbox account may be listed. But for the games that are compatible, they should now be visible alongside your other connected libraries, making it much easier to browse and manage everything in one place. And that's it. You've successfully connected Xbox Live with GOG Galaxy and synced your supported games. If you run into issues, double check that you're signed into the correct Microsoft account and that you allowed all required permissions during the login process. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next one.